Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review mymeet.io. So mymeet is a platform that lets you host meetings. Just like Zoom or Google Meet, you can also host your meetings on this platform. You can schedule your meetings. You can even create bookings so that your clients and other people can book meetings with you. mymeet also has an AI that can summarize meetings for you. It will come up with various summaries such as action points, the energy level of the meeting, and even the full transcript of the meeting. And another great feature is that you can even collect payments for your meetings. And mymeet is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at Appsumo you're getting this tool at only $49. This is a one-time single payment. So now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you have unlimited appointment bookings, unlimited video meetings with no time limit. There are branded videos, booking pages and thank you pages. There are also meeting reminders, picture-in-picture mode, built-in chat, file sharing, screen sharing, and also Google and Outlook calendar integrations. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49. Here you have the 120 minutes of limit for the AI meeting summary. You can also connect one calendar account, one social media. You can add one meeting topic. There is HD video quality, unlimited video meetings, as well as unlimited transcription. There is also tier 2. So on this tier 2, you get some additional features such as meeting recording, whiteboard, WhatsApp notification, digital visiting cards, and after meeting redirection. There is also license tier 3. Even on this tier, there is another additional feature, that is you can remove the mymeet.io branding. So if you want to buy mymeet from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Before I go to the dashboard of mymeet, first let me show you the roadmap. So here is the roadmap. So these are 2 in progress features that are supposed to be added to the platform, and these are all the released features. And you can obviously submit your feature on this wish list. Now let's go to the dashboard of mymeet. So after you log into mymeet, you are going to get this dashboard, and on here you can get an overview of your account. So you can see your cards, the upcoming holidays. You can also set holidays on here. You can also see your availability, booking page visibility, AI minutes limit, meeting topics, upcoming booking, completed booking, upcoming meetings according to the calendar. And on the left side, you can see all the primary features of mymeet. But before I explore all those features, what I want to show you is the interface of the meeting. So once you enter a meeting on the mymeet platform, how is the interface is going to look like? Let me show you that. So for that, I will go to this instant meet, and keep in mind you have to set the default meeting platform to mymeet because the default one is set to Google Meet. Let me show you. If I go to the settings and if I go to this meeting setting, so on the last option, this is the meeting provider. So it was set to Google, which is the Google Meet, but you have to set it to mymeet, and then you can check out the actual meeting platform of mymeet. So let's go back to the dashboard and then click on instant meet. So as you can see, here is the preview for our meeting, and I can obviously copy the link for this meeting from here, and then I can share this link with other people so that they can join. I can select the meeting language from here. I can also see the instant meeting history, and once everything is alright, I have to click on this join meeting. So as you can see, this was the meeting interface that I was talking about. This is the interface that you are going to get on mymeet. So on the bottom of the page, you have all the features that you can use in order to customize your meetings. So first of all, you can mute or unmute your mic. You can turn off or on your camera, web camera. You can share the screen. You can also open the whiteboard. So let me open it for you. So this is the whiteboard, and you can draw whatever you want on this particular whiteboard. On the left side, you have all the tools in order to properly use this whiteboard. So you can choose a particular pencil, or you can choose probably this eraser. So you can also add your text, your images. So there are a lot of options or tools on this whiteboard that you can use in order to enhance the overall meeting. So now let me just close this whiteboard, and then you also have a built-in chat feature that is integrated into this meeting platform. So once you have multiple participants on your meeting, they can also chat on this right side, as you can see. So let me type something on here, and then I'm going to send this. So as you can see, this is how the message is going to appear. I can also send various files if I click on this. So I can share various files directly on this chat, and then I can also stop the recording from here. I can open the settings. So on the settings, I can change the video quality. I can also choose my audio input source as well as video or the camera source. And on the top right side, I can instantly share this meeting with the link. So this is everything about the meeting platform, the meeting interface. Now I'm just going to close it. And as I said earlier, MyMeet has their AI that can summarize meetings for you. So let me show you that feature. So for that, I will go to this meeting history. So here is the meeting, the first one. This is the meeting that I just conducted. So in order to get the AI meeting summary, I have to click on this particular icon. And keep in mind, the AI is only going to work if you select the meeting provider as MyMeet, which means their own provider. If you select Google Meet and if you host your meetings on Google Meet, you are not going to get the summary. Since I hosted this meeting on this platform, so I will get the summary. Just click on this. And as you can see, here is the overview or the summary. On top, you can see the meeting title, client name, the date, the duration, and then you can also get some bullet points. You can get various action points, and then you can also see some metrics, as well as you can get the full transcription of this meeting. So this is how the AI meeting summary is going to work. Now what about creating bookings so that people can book meetings with you? That is also super easy. Let me show you how that is going to work. All you have to do is just go to these topics, and then on here you have to create a new topic. Click on add, and on this box you have to provide your meeting topic. So for example, my meeting topic is going to be diet planning, and then I have to choose the duration from here. I'm just going to keep it 30. I can also choose the currency. So why currency and why this rate? So for example, you want to charge people that want to have meetings with you. In that case, MyMeet has integrated payment methods so that you can charge for your meetings. So for that, you have to select the currency, and then you can also provide your rate or charge for the meeting. I'm not going to add that. I'm just going to add this meeting topic. Okay, so as you can see, the meeting topic has been added. Now if I click on these three dots, I can edit it, delete it, copy it, share it. So the share option is what I need. I'm going to click on this and then copy the link. Now for example, someone wants to book the meetings with me. So that person has to open the link, this particular link that I copied. Okay, so I copied the wrong link if you have noticed. So the diet planning, the topic that I just added, it was on the number 3. So I have to copy this link, click on share, and now I will copy the link. So as you can see, once someone opens that link, he is going to get a page like this. And if you think this page is too generic in terms of the overall interface, the best part is you can fully customize this page with your own branding. I'm going to show that feature later. So once someone opens that link, all he has to do is choose the meeting topic and then choose the available time. So here that person is going to get the available time that you have set on the availability page of MyMeet. And these are the available times. So I'm just going to select a random date, and then I have to choose a time on this right side. Now I have to provide all these details. So this is how the person that wants to book, he has to provide all the details and then click on book my meeting. So as you can see, the meeting has been scheduled successfully. You can see the title, duration, meeting date and time, the meeting link, and that person can also add this meeting to their calendar. It could be Google Calendar or also Outlook. So coming back to MyMeet, and currently I am on this booking section. As you can see, I have got the booking for this person, John. I can see the topic title, meeting date, time, duration, all these details. And now I can join the meeting instantly. I can get the meeting summary, but obviously I'm going to get that once the meeting is completely finished. And then if I click on these three dots, I can also see all the past bookings. I can even reschedule this particular booking. I can cancel this booking, and I can also get some information about this meeting. So this is how you can create bookings, and then you can let other people book meetings with you. And then there are also some other sections such as the availability. So you can set your availability on here. As you can see, you can select particular days of the week, particular time, and if you want, you can also add more slots. So I have already showed you the bookings, people who have booked or scheduled meetings with you. All of them are going to appear on this section. And then you can also customize the branding that I said earlier. So as you can see on the right side, you can see the preview page. So this is the booking page. If you remember when I showed you the booking page, this is what it looks like, but it is fully customizable. So first of all, you can change the logo from here, upload your logo from here. You can change the brand color. You can also change the font color. So this is how you can adjust, customize various aspects of the booking page from here. And then we have integrations. So you can connect your Google Calendar as well as Outlook. So this way you can super easily see your scheduled meetings directly on your calendar. It could be on Google or it could also be on Outlook. And then there are also some crucial settings on MyMeet. So these are all the basic settings, then your plan, and then you have your social media. So you can add various social links such as Facebook, X, YouTube, LinkedIn. I think these links are going to appear on your booking page. So you can add your social media links on here, and then you can set your holidays, change the meeting settings. So first of all, on this meeting settings, we have this redirect URL. So what it is exactly. So after the meeting finishes, if you want the participants to redirect to a certain platform or a website, you can simply provide that URL on this box. And then you can also provide an end message, which means once the meeting finishes, what kind of message the participants are going to get. You can obviously write that message on this box. And then there is a very crucial settings, that is meeting provider. So it could be MyMeet, which is their own platform. It could also be Google Meet. And then there is another important setting. So as I said before, you can charge people for meetings. So for that, you have to set your payment methods on this section. So you can either enter your PayPal or you could also connect your UPID. So these are two payment methods that are currently available. So overall, I think MyMeet is an excellent tool. It lets you host your meetings. It has the meeting platform directly integrated onto its platform. So you can host meetings just like you do on Zoom or on Google Meet. And you can also schedule your meetings. You can create bookings so that people can schedule meetings with you. You can also charge people for meetings. And once you finish your meetings, you can also get AI summary. There are a lot of different types of summaries the AI is going to provide. So if you want to buy mymeet.io on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.